Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, so far the Australian dollar has respected that key level of 66.90, which is where the 60-day moving average is currently placed. In looking at the current rebound, the market is attempting to try and break out above 67, 60.70. However, little confirmation to support any further bullishness since we've seen for the last 2 days, and therefore could see another down test, but likely to lock in the 66.90 to 67.70 range in the next 24 hours. The euro reaches its objective of 110.70 overnight and now puts a slight question on whether we can see an extension or not. In light of the pattern, we are somewhat oversold and therefore could see a small bounce back to around 111.15.20 and then maybe another down test, which could eventually see an extension to this bearish movement around the 109.5 to 109.80. Looking at dollar yen, the market is still trying to break higher since rebounding earlier around the 139 area. In light of the pattern and reaching this objective of 142, could see an extension up towards 143, with any pullback likely to be shallow. And if it's something like a pennant that's forming here, would see further bullish correction, as I mentioned, somewhere around 142 to 143. Looking at sterling, the market still looks towards this trend line somewhere around 127. And in light of the current weakness, little is seen in terms of the upside. So therefore, the market could respond to this bullishness around 127 and recover back to about 130 eventually. Having posted an outside range day, we got the confirmation from 1,964, and from there the bearishness holds. I still feel the downside risk is to about 1,915 to 30, with any upside potential limited. And wrapping up with oil, the market reaches its target of $78 a barrel, but there is somewhat bearish divergence coming through here, so we could see a small correction back to the lows around 76.5, and then maybe another topside test that could clear 78 and move up to $81 a barrel. Well, that's a wrap for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the interest rate report. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day.